Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in Nifty index futures and options today. Yesterday the market opened in this new contract. We are moving to the new contract. Yesterday the market previous contract expired, opened with a very big gap around 15,060. Right after the opening there was some huge selling that pushed the price towards 14,870s, where it tried to recover and finally closed near 14,932. Yesterday's price closing is higher compared to the previous day's price closing, and the entire trading zone happened above the previous day's trading range. So we could consider that something happened because of profit booking, and the market consolidated after that because we had the monthly expiry also. So, but today it's expected to open somewhere near 14,780. So it's taking us with a surprise. The price opening is subjected to huge changes since we are recording this video presentation earlier, and we need to see the exact price opening. So what you can do, wherever the market is opening, wait for the price to come down. Maybe around 14,720 will be a very good zone for you to go for buying. Within this range you can go for buying till 14,660 by placing stop at 14,640, expecting the market to move up. The price actions nowadays, the volatility is very high, the price actions will be very fast, so try to pick the right zone. If the right after the opening the price is moving up, then you can wait for the price to drop near the next support, and then you can go for buying. So it's a very tough zone for Nifty traders. How we can do that in the options market? We are moving to the contract which is going to expire the next month, or 6th of next month. Maybe 14,800 or 750 will be that the money option. You can select 15,000 strike. Whenever the market index futures is hitting a major support, select this 15,000 strike call option. Go for buying by placing some 30-point stop, expecting the value to increase when the underlying asset increases. So you should book profit regularly and then exit from the market. Even if you get a good profit, you can book it and exit from the market. Kindly open trading account with Goodwill and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care. Bye.